Hi, Duncan here from Apollo, your 12 volt specialist. Today I'm going to introduce you to the BR e-bike lift from Belgium. We've been distributing these in New Zealand for about 8 years now and have had great success with them. To operate this system, I'll go through the individual steps. So here we are, the bike lift is in its stowed position. To get it activated, we turn this lever. This is a mechanical and electrical stop. We can then bring down our rails, and using our remote control, we can lower the bike lift to the ground. It's a two-stage system, so it lowers down one stage and then a further stage that steps it out a little bit more. We have two different rail types on this bike lift. It's from the standard bike tyres, and this one is for your fat boy tyres. One of the key products about this bike lift is these clamps can move left to right. So traditionally a bike would go onto the rail, the clamp would go onto the rail of the bike, but with e-bikes the rails have got the battery in them and they're a lot bigger. So these can go to the seat stem, to the bike handlebar stem, and it's easy to install them. So we'll get our bike now. So simply, we're only going to have to lift it this far off the ground, not lifting the bike all the way up there, which is really heavy with an e-bike. We grab our clamp, attaching it to the stem of the bike here. Bit of insight, this is a customer's vehicle, so it's not designed for this bike, the layout's been set up for their bikes. So now, we don't have to do anything with the bottom rails, the bottom clamps, because we can just lift it up to our height we want to be at. And now without hurting our back, we can install our clips. And the rear one. So then we can take the bike all the way to the top. Now that's secured in our travel position. We can now lock it. So that's mechanically locked and electrically locked, and we can drive away. One of the key things about our optional remote control is it has D+. So the D+ is an ignition feed from your vehicle. So if you've left your bikes on the bike lift, but you're about to leave and you forgot to put the bike rack up, it will automatically lift the bikes up for you as soon as you turn your ignition on. So to lower the bikes for usage, we unlock it, lower it down, to a level we're comfortable with to undo the clamps at the feet. And at its full elevation, we can then take this part off, unscrew it, take that off, take your bike off, and you're ready to go. Thank you.